In this video, we are going to demo the Mobile Personal Guide, MPG. MPG is a web-based prototype of an experimental platform for evaluating item recommendation algorithms. The application domain for our system is that of a digital city guides. MPG aims to provide a diverse set of recommendations better aligned with user preferences. When first accessing the MPG, a Google map is shown that can be navigated by clicking and dragging or by zooming in and out. To demonstrate the depths of the MPG, we will walk you through an example. Suppose we want to find some fun places in San Francisco. The MPG interface allows us to query an underlying venue database that is obtained from Foursquare. To query for a set of recommendations, you can begin by clicking on the Input tab. Here you can specify your search criteria. This includes current position, which is specified by simply clicking on the map. The coordinates will be recorded automatically in the position field. You can also specify the search radius in kilometers, which is the maximum distance you are willing to travel. After that, you can specify how many recommendations you would like to see in the venues field. Once we have this information, you can click on each of the swatches below to indicate the type of venues that you are looking for. Next, you can further specify your preferences. Simply click on the Profiles tab, where 5 predefined profiles are available for selection. The user may select more than one profile. Each profile selected will create a bias for a certain type of venue. If the profiles do not match your preferences, you may click on the Customize button to open a more detailed selection window. You can then specify the bias coefficient for each subcategory. This is used to adjust a preference intensity value. You may change any of these numbers in order to best describe your preferences. There is no upper bound on the coefficient, since the underlying preference intensity value is always normalized. For example, I will set festival inside the event categories to be 15. Once you are done modifying the preference profile, you can click on the Confirm button to save your settings. Next, you can click on the Algorithms tab, which lists 10 different algorithms to compare. Each one of the algorithms will generate a set of recommendations the size of k. After you have selected the algorithms you wish to run, you can click the Run button to send your query to the server. The result will be shown on the map. Initially, the result may appear too crowded. You can zoom in and out on the map to more easily see the recommendations. Next, you can click on the Results tab to generate a table showing statistics for each selected algorithm. In this table, div represents the diversity score, which indicates how the diversity of the result set. Rel represents the relevancy score, which indicates the average intensity value according to your preference. G represents the radius of gyration, which indicates the spatial sparsity of the results. In other words, it shows the distance of each venue from the user's current location. RT means the execution time of each algorithm in milliseconds. You may click on any of the algorithms to display or hide the results from that particular algorithm on the map. You may also click on the Scatter Plot button to display a scatter plot of diversity versus relevancy for each algorithm in the result table. Again, you may click on each of the algorithms to make it appear or disappear from the plot. To compare the result of the current and previous queries, you can click on the Compare button. In this table, previous indicates the statistics for the previous iteration, and present indicates the results for the current iteration. That is all for this demonstration. Thank you very much for watching.